you're doing now is the best that you can do now. Everything else is hindsight. I should have done this, that doesn't count. At this moment, the song that you're writing could be better or worse than the last song you wrote. And that's fine. In life, we inhale and we exhale. Right? So, sa akin yung writer's block, kung pangit yung ginawa ko, di pangit. Hindi ko naman malalaman right now kung pangit o hindi. I remember recording Apo's song. No? Buboy and I were so bored with the song. Talagang, ay nako, tapusin natin itong recording nito kasi nakakaantok. No? We finished it. One of the biggest hits we ever had. We had no idea it would be like that. The song is Kaibigan. Kaibigan, tila yata matamlay ang iyong pakiramdam. Oh my gosh! The OFWs just lapped it up. Kasi ang story nun, sa OFW, I don't know how they connected it. It became like their fear na, no? Na someday lalapit ang isang tao sa kanila. Pare, yung asawa mo nagwawala. Di ba? They connected it to something like that. That's why, I'm talking to you as a friend, We had no idea, but that was the best we thought the song was during that time. Until we said, wow. So you're always doing your best, no matter what you do. So therefore, continue writing.
So how you deal with writer's block is just pummel through. Parang,
Yeah.
if it's you're not feeling it, just finish it anyway and let it be what it will be.
Kung nasa baha ka, you cannot just stay there. Eh, baha eh, ako maglakad, di ba? You just keep going. You just keep going and that is the state of the art of where you are right now.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're better, sometimes you're not. But you know what? You cannot stop writing. Always write with the passion and always like, parang kailangan ko ilabas ito no matter what. That's how you do it. Kung
Yeah.
pangit, eh di pangit. Marami nang pangit sa mundo, di ba?
Tapos baka yung pangit para sa'yo, maganda pala para sa iba.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you never know.
Don't stop.
Right?
Don't stop.
Tiara, ikaw, pag nara-writer's block, anong ginagawa mo?
Honestly, hindi ko alam kung ako lang gumagawa nito, pero nagdadasal talaga muna ako. Hindi, promise, kasi nag-ask ako ng guidance kasi minsan, feeling ko, magulo lang yung utak ko, ang dami kong iniisip na kung ano-ano. Pero once na nagsisimula ako magdasal, parang nakakalma ako. And then after nyan, parang doon na gumagana ulit yung creative mind ko na parang, alam mo, tiwala lang. Si Lord nga nagtitiwala sa talent mo eh. Alam mo yung ganun. So yun, nagagawa ko siya. And feeling ko yung pinaka nag-work kasi talaga po sa akin, I work best under pressure. So pag may deadline, kahit may writer's block, parang kailangan ko talagang
Unblock.
ma-unblock talaga eh. Parang kailangan mong, hindi pwede. Kasi pinagkatiwalaan ka ng mga to, kailangan mag-deliver ka on time.
So bigla kang nagkakaroon ng idea.
Kailangan. So, kailangan ko talaga ng powers ni Lord. Kailangan ko ng Holy Spirit para kumalma ako. Tapos, yun. And actually, lahat po ng pwede kong gawin para lang kumalma ako. Kasi naniniwala akong mas effective ako magsulat pag kalmado ako. Kesa yung para akong naya-anxiety.
Can I just add one thing? This is very important. Kung writer's block ka, imagine yourself as your favorite songwriter. Bruno Mars, whatever. Paul McCartney. And then ask, how would Paul McCartney do this?
Pwede.
You will start as Paul McCartney and end up being yourself. Believe me. Paul McCartney gets out of the writer's chair, tapos ikaw na. Ikaw na.
I'll share also my own writer's block solution. I just leave it alone for a while. I just, short kwento, I had a deadline because Regine was like, I need this song for this movie, needs to be about breakup, ganyan. I was writing something, pangit, talagang, I just could not get things together. So, yeah, so I just left it alone. I went to Galleria, watched the movie, and it so happened that the movie was The Breakup. Jennifer Aniston and Vince Vaughn. So I watched the movie, and by the time the movie ended, I was walking home, I had a song. I knew exactly like meron na akong title, meron ay structure, etc. Pagdating ko sa bahay. So sometimes it just takes some unclogging. No? Just leave it alone. Play games, eat muna, or just parang ganun. Sometimes you just need a break. So don't be too hard also on yourself. No? So that's iba-iba tayong lahat ng ano. You've heard different approaches. Pwede ka mag-pray, you can collab, you can just pummel through and bahala na. But you can also just take a break and leave it alone and after a while.
Talking about breaks.
Yeah.
When I wrote When I Met You, so there I was, you gave me a reason for my being, and it all began when I met you, second verse, and it all began when I met you, stop. Wala akong maisip. You know when I started, when I finished it, 7 months later, tinapik ko yung song, when I met you, you taught me how to love. Oh my gosh! Unstoppable. You showed me a tomorrow and today, my love. Sabi ko, wow, wonderful. Worth waiting for. Tapos,
That's a long break.
Long break, yeah.
Walang deadline, okay lang.
Okay kung walang deadline, tama. Okay lang.
Pag walang deadline.
Pag may deadline,
I guess walang deadline yun. So, and then we have